Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, Valentine's Day preparation. We'll be doing dozens and dozens and dozens of roses. And I'm always nervous. Is it 11? Is it 12? Or is it 13? So I'm counting over and over. Not very efficient. To plan ahead and prepare, process your flowers just like you normally would do. Strip the foliage, all of that. Then, when you're getting ready, count out 12. And wrap 12 together, just loosely. Staple it. Set that dozen in the bucket. Repeat. Wrap. Do this with all your dozens. That way, when it's time to design, you just go, grab your dozen, all your dozens, work those into the arrangement. They're pre-counted. You just do one double check and it's set. Take your extra rose, the 25th, give it a cut, and then go ahead and set it in a separate vase. That way, if as you're designing one breaks, you go back and grab it, set it in, and you're good to go. Now you know the pro technique for rose dozens.